this is one of my video that I would say I gave it almost all my effort. Yeah, and I would also appreciate if you also take your time, some few minutes of your time also to watch this video, because it means so much to me and it means a lot to me. Yeah, yes, you're welcome back again to my channel. And in this video, like you see, I don't need to explain it much. We are doing a full glam, a full makeup. You're welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I say you're welcome once again. And to my intending subscriber, don't wait, just click the subscribe button and then we are together. Yes, and also don't forget to like, share and comment, yes, on this video. You can have one or two things to pick from this video while doing your makeup for yourself or maybe for anyone. Yeah, just come along with me and then we do this makeup together. You see the outcome of this makeup, however you get to see it yourself anyways. Yeah, what happened at the end of this video. Yeah, so before I started this makeup, skin prep was done, although it wasn't shown in the video, but I already prepped my skin. Yeah, then I went on with the primer, which was shown, which was where I started from in this video. So it's always good to prep your skin. Yeah, it gives your makeup a good effect. Yeah, a good feel on the face and a good look. Yeah, so then the primer, and then I used every other makeup product that you can see in this video. That I'm using the foundation, the contour, the bronzer, name it. Yeah, so I just wanted to take your time to watch this video and then you would see what was done through in this video. Yeah. If you've watched the video up to this point and you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button now and join the family. Yes, trust me, you'll be getting lovely videos as always. Yeah, don't forget to like, share and comment. How do you see this makeup so far? Yeah, this is coming all together, looking so pretty, like I had wanted it. Yeah, even beyond what I decided to do, yeah, because I took my time to get this perfect look. Yeah, if you would rate this makeup already, how many would you rate it? Rating from the eyebrow, the eyeshadow, the contouring, the lipstick and everything all together. If you would rate it, tell me in the comment section how many ratings over 100 would you give to this look. Yeah, so I'm going to check it. So I did everything possible to achieve this, but here and here is where the issue lies, because I have done everything I could, but with this mascara it ruined the whole beauty.